you doing, Jarvis? What are you getting into today, Aaron? What are you doing, Jarvis?
Grinding on that D.
Huh?
Okay.
So to elaborate on my D grinding, on some rods that aren't Speed Factory no, they say Speed Factory no notch, you don't have to take a die grinder to your block. So I was swapping parts. A customer had a block acting up, so I'm swapping parts into a different block, and lo and behold, I forgot that he did not. I put it together, and I was like, dink, 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 crap, and had to take it apart and do that. I haven't done this. I haven't had to do this in at least like 6 or 7 years. I hate it so much. Whatever. But that's the gist of it. They gotta go about twice as deep as I just went.
Twice as deep?
H22 show up on New Year's. It's 99, 98.
By interior 99, 2000.
I think so. H22 swap. We modified the cross member and stuff for the downpipe and stuff to fit. I'm putting it back on right now. It's just about ready to start hooking up lines and plugs and stuff.
This was an SH.
Didn't they have the weird steering and stuff on them?
Yeah, the ATTS stuff.
Yeah, that's wild.
One of Jarvis's budget turbo builds. I don't know about y'all, but I ain't never seen nothing this pretty on a budget.
That's what I'm saying. We do the quality work.
And he is retaining his power steering. Could have kept the AC, but chose not to.
I believe it's the odor gentleman's car, ain't it?
I'm not sure. Aaron is wrenching away at it.
I am laying out a harness to cut its length. It's not fun.
So many wires.
Yeah, so much untangling. Pain in the butt.
Keep that bolt because it's long and cool. This holds the front cover. This doesn't have to come off.
Okay.
So all the perimeter bolts, that one. Take a flathead. See right there, that spot?
Yep.
Pop, comes out, right? Got an SD1000 so that's just a rebuild kit for it because the one that's in there has been, somebody left it setting for a long time and the bearings don't feel real good, so that's it. USA Gear rebuild kit.
We was hoping it's race car parts.
Nope.
Two fresh B18 blocks, B18Cs, in from Perfect Circle today. These are customer blocks. They will be getting built and sent out.
But putting all new bearings and stuff in this one. Getting it ready for customer. It's almost done, really. A few odds and ends and it'll be wrapped up.
Hey, your husband said I didn't get you on video already once, so I gotta get you some more.
Hey, Jen. He's a liar. He also doesn't know his wife.
I believe she hates being on video as much as I do.
Yes, yes I do. I'm cool with just watching him.
Yep. I was always told I have a face made for radio.
Same, but I don't have the voice for it.
I mean, I get what you're saying. You put a K-Series in the car, you can film me talking for all I get. Put a K-Series in the car, but if you put a K-Series in the car, and you use the A3, then I mean at some point you still have to spend money again to buy different engines.
Actually thinner than I thought they were.
Well, it was supposed to be. This bit's not what it's supposed to be. It's whatever.
Wow, it's you, the Capital One game back.
That's what they call me.
Mind if I get a selfie?
Yeah, sure thing. Say no fees or
To 8th gen engines, I feel like that's the way you should go.